Kids bring the photos and creativity, and CM's new Kids Kits will bring the rest. Well, hi there. I'm Noreen with Creative Memories, here to introduce you to this summer's coolest kids kits. We've got two fantastic kits available, Cool Vibes and Totally Awesome. And each kit includes all the fun and all the supplies needed to create an epic 8x8 paper album that kids will have a blast making. All they need are their photos and to be ready to have some fun. Now, each kit has over 110 pieces and includes fun things like decorative scissors, an 8x8 paper album, roller stamps, 6 double-sided sheets of paper, a sticker pad with fun finishes like holographic foil, glitter, layers, and foam, plus embellishment packs, sparkle gel pens, and a photo-safe jumbo tip adhesive pen. Let's open up one of these boxes and have a closer look. Kids are going to have so much fun cutting these fun papers with the decorative scissors and adding them along with their photos into the great little 8x8 paper album. All of these great stickers will be so useful to label and to decorate their pages. I love these fun colors, the holographic foils, and all of the great sayings. But I think one of the most fun things, kids will have a blast with the new roller stamps. Simply remove the lid and roll on some fun. They're great suns and stars for a little bit of magic with every roll. And after they've opened up the box and created their epic album, they can keep all of the rest of their supplies stored in the Totally Cool storage case, which is sold separately. They're going to be able to use these great products for even more fun memory keeping and craft projects. The soft neoprene pouch has plenty of room inside and is a great place to store all of their craft supplies. Plus, there are two 8x8 album covers. The Black Mica Cool Vibes album cover, which works perfectly with the Cool Vibes collection, and the Tide Pool Totally Awesome album cover that works great with the Totally Awesome kit. These will work perfectly to preserve the kids' masterpieces so that you can enjoy them for a long time to come. You can simply cut the paper album into individual pages at the spine and slip them into 8x8 pocket pages inside the album. Or if your kiddos find themselves hooked on scrapbooking after creating with the kids' kits, these albums are perfect for those cool kids to save all their memories in. CM's Kids Kits make a great gift for all the kiddos in your life and can even be used as a fun kids' birthday party activity. And you'll want to talk to your CM advisor to see if they are hosting a kids' class or summer camp that your son or daughter can attend. They'll get lots of guidance and will walk away with their completed photo album while experiencing all the fun of saving and sharing memories. Don't have a CM advisor? You can find kids' classes happening near you on the Creative Memories website by using the Find an Event feature. You'll find the link in the description below this video. We hope your kiddos enjoyed the totally awesome, cool vibes of the kids' kits this summer.